Now, let's dive into the fascinating geological processes and unique mineral formations responsible for the creation of the massive selenite crystals in the Naica Crystal Cave. The story of these awe-inspiring crystals begins about 26 million years ago during the formation of the Sierra de Naica mountain range in Chihuahua, Mexico. The Naica Crystal Cave, also known as the Cave of the Crystals, is situated deep within the Naica mine. The mine is rich in minerals such as silver, zinc, and lead, but it's the stunning gypsum crystals that have captured the world's attention. These crystals are composed of a mineral called selenite, a crystalline form of gypsum, which is a calcium sulfate mineral. The formation of these gigantic selenite crystals can be traced back to a series of geological processes. Around 26 million years ago, volcanic activity in the region led to the intrusion of magma into the limestone rock. This heated up the groundwater, causing it to dissolve the surrounding limestone and become saturated with minerals, including calcium sulfate. Over time, this mineral-rich water collected in underground chambers, like the one where the Naica Crystal Cave is located. As the magma cooled and the temperature of the water dropped, the minerals started to crystallize, slowly forming the magnificent selenite crystals we see today. The unique conditions in the Naica Crystal Cave allowed these crystals to grow to an immense size, with some reaching up to 36 feet in length and weighing as much as 55 tons. The slow and steady cooling process, combined with a constant mineral supply from the surrounding limestone, created the perfect environment for these colossal crystals to form over hundreds of thousands of years. In summary, the massive selenite crystals in the Naica Crystal Cave are the result of a unique combination of geological processes, including volcanic activity, the dissolution of limestone, and the gradual crystallization of minerals in a stable. These extraordinary formations stand as a testament to the incredible power and beauty of nature's geological wonders. Now, let's discuss the extreme environmental conditions within the Naica Crystal Cave that make it dangerous and deadly for humans to explore without proper protection. Located about 1,000 feet beneath the surface, the cave presents a highly challenging environment for any human visitor. One of the primary hazards within the Naica Crystal Cave is the extremely high temperature, which can reach up to 136 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat is primarily due to the magma chamber located below the cave, which continues to heat the surrounding rocks and air within the cave. In addition to the scorching temperatures, the cave also has a humidity level of nearly 100%, creating an incredibly oppressive and stifling atmosphere. The combination of high temperature and high humidity makes it difficult for the human body to cool down through perspiration, putting anyone inside the cave at risk of heat stroke and dehydration. Due to these extreme conditions, it's impossible for humans to explore the cave without proper protective gear. Special suits, known as ice suits, have been developed specifically for exploring the Naica Crystal Cave. These suits are equipped with a cooling system that circulates cold water around the body, allowing researchers and explorers to stay cool and maintain a safe body temperature while inside the cave. Even with this protection, however, the time that can be spent inside the cave is limited to about 30 to 45 minutes before the risk of heat stroke becomes too great. In summary, the extreme environmental conditions within the Naica Crystal Cave, including the high temperatures and humidity levels, make it a dangerous and potentially deadly environment for humans to explore without proper protection. The development of specialized gear, such as ice suits, has allowed researchers to study and document this unique geological wonder while minimizing the risks associated with the harsh environment. Moving on, let's examine the discovery of the Naica Crystal Cave in 2000 and the fascinating scientific research conducted within its chambers. This research includes the study of ancient microorganisms and life forms trapped within the crystals, offering valuable insights into the history of life on Earth. The Naica Crystal Cave was accidentally discovered in April 2000 by two miners, Juan and Pedro Sanchez, who were excavating a new tunnel for the Naica mine. Upon breaking through into a hidden cavern, they were astounded to find the enormous selenite crystals that now captivate the world. Soon after the discovery, scientists and researchers began to explore the cave, eager to study its remarkable formations and unearth its hidden secrets. One of the most fascinating aspects of the scientific research conducted within the Naica Crystal Cave is the study of ancient microorganisms trapped within the crystals. In 2017, researchers announced the discovery of microbial life forms, some of which were estimated to be 50,000 years old. These ancient microorganisms were found to be dormant, but still viable, meaning they could potentially be revived under the right conditions. The study of these microorganisms has provided valuable insights into the resilience of life on Earth and the potential for life to exist in other extreme environments, such as those found on Mars or other celestial bodies. Moreover, the discovery of these ancient life forms has implications for understanding the origins of life on our planet and the processes that have allowed life to adapt and survive over millions of years. In summary, the discovery of the Naica Crystal Cave in 2000 has led to groundbreaking scientific research within its chambers, including the study of ancient microorganisms trapped within the crystals. This research has not only increased our understanding of the cave's unique geological formations, but has also shed light on the resilience of life on Earth and its potential to exist in other extreme environments. Now let's focus on ongoing efforts to preserve and protect the Naica Crystal Cave's delicate ecosystem and its extraordinary crystal formations from damage and degradation. Given the unique and fragile nature of this geological wonder, it's crucial to ensure that appropriate measures are taken to maintain its integrity for future generations to study and appreciate. One of the primary challenges in preserving the Naica Crystal Cave is the fact that it's located within an active mine. Mining operations pose a potential threat to the stability of the cave and its crystal formations. To address this issue, the mining company and local authorities have implemented strict protocols to limit access to the cave and minimize the impact of mining activities on the cave's delicate ecosystem. Another significant challenge in preserving the cave is maintaining the specific environmental conditions that allowed the crystals to form in the first place. When the cave was initially discovered, the water that had played a crucial role in the crystal's formation had been pumped out to facilitate exploration. However, researchers quickly realized that the absence of water could lead to the degradation of the crystals. In response to this concern, a decision was made to allow the cave to reflood, submerging the crystals once again in the mineral-rich water that had enabled their growth. This decision has helped to preserve the crystals in their natural state, although it has made further exploration and research more challenging. Finally, ongoing efforts to raise awareness about the Naica Crystal Cave and its importance as a geological treasure have been essential in securing support for its preservation. Educational initiatives, documentaries, and public exhibits have all played a part in highlighting the cave's significance and fostering a sense of responsibility for its protection. In summary, preserving and protecting the Naica Crystal Cave's delicate ecosystem, maintaining the cave's natural environmental conditions, are preserving mushrooms and protecting the Naica Crystal Cave's delicate ecosystem. Through these efforts, the hope is that the Naica Crystal Cave will continue to captivate and inspire future generations. Lastly, let's delve into the cultural significance and local legends surrounding the Naica Crystal Cave and its awe-inspiring beauty, as well as its influence on art, literature, and popular culture. The stunning crystal formations within the cave have captured the imagination of people around the world, sparking a sense of wonder and fascination. Locally, the Naica Crystal Cave has become a source of pride and inspiration for the people of Chihuahua, Mexico. The cave's discovery has led to an increased interest in the region's unique geological features and has even inspired local legends. Some people believe that the giant crystals possess mystical powers and that the cave itself is a gateway to another world or dimension. The cave's otherworldly beauty has also captured the attention of artists, writers, and filmmakers who have drawn inspiration from its extraordinary crystal formations. The cave has been featured in numerous documentaries, such as the National Geographic special Into the Lost Crystal Caves, which aim to showcase the cave's incredible beauty and raise awareness about the importance of preserving this unique environment. In literature, the Naica Crystal Cave has inspired authors to create fictional worlds and stories centered around its magical and mysterious nature. For example, the science fiction novel The Naica Crystal Cave by Richard Lapidus weaves a tale of adventure and intrigue set within the cavern's mesmerizing crystal chambers. Additionally, the cave has inspired visual artists to create works that capture its ethereal beauty and reflect the awe-inspiring scale of the crystal formations. These artistic interpretations help bring the cave's hidden wonders to a wider audience and contribute to the ongoing efforts to preserve and protect this unique geological treasure. In conclusion, the cultural significance and local legends surrounding the Naica Crystal Cave serve to highlight its awe-inspiring beauty and the profound impact it has had on art, literature, and popular culture. Through these creative expressions, the cave's extraordinary crystal formations continue to captivate the imagination of people around the world, fostering a sense of wonder and appreciation for the natural world's incredible mysteries.